Okay, here's a small little mod I'm just going to make to the oil drain plug. So what we're aiming to do is to just modify this by drilling a little hole and tapping an M3 thread in there, and then I'll show you what I'm going to be doing next. Let's see how we go. Hopefully it's not too hard. Seems okay. I'll just finish that up. Okay, so now I've got that drilled out with a 3mm hole at the middle. Time for a bit of tapping. And I'll show you what comes next. See if you can guess. One thing I should just mention is that this is the magnet we're talking about. So this is maybe, I don't know, let's have a quick measure. It is 10mm diameter, so 10 by 10, and it's got a 3mm hole in the centre, and you can buy them on eBay. Pretty cheap, probably about, I don't know, 5 for 10 bucks. Maybe I'll look it up a bit later and put a link in the description. Okay, so this is a little stainless steel bolt that I've got with a patch lock thread on it. That won't be going anywhere in a hurry. And I think we're done. Just gonna get that just close up. It's being tight, but not squeezing on it too much. Okay, there we go. There is a homemade magnet oil drain plug, ready to go straight back in. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And one last thing, in case you're wondering how to get all those little metal filings off. Not sure how this will go. It should be looking pretty clean.